Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves designing in Canva but wishes you could break free from the standard shapes, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your own custom shapes in Canva quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to craft unique shapes like hourglasses and crescent moons, and you'll have the creative tools to invent even more. Let's get started and unlock a new level of design freedom. Alright, let's dive right in. We'll start by building a custom hourglass shape, and for that we'll be combining two simple shapes. First, click on Elements over on your left sidebar, then scroll down until you see Shapes. Go ahead and select the triangle. If you don't see it right away, there's a search box at the top. Just type in triangle and it'll pop right up. Now bring one triangle onto your canvas. You can adjust the size if you need a bigger hourglass, but for now, let's keep it manageable. Once you have your first triangle in place, you'll want to duplicate it so you have two identical shapes. Most people just hit Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on their keyboard, but you can right-click and select Duplicate as well, whatever's easiest. Now comes the fun part. Take one of the triangles and flip it upside down. To do this, select it and use the rotate handle at the top of the shape. Just spin it until it's pointing the other way. Now you'll want to overlap these two triangles, aligning their tips so they form that classic hourglass outline. Take your time here, nudging them together until the points meet neatly. It might take a few moments to line up just right, but hang in there, the precision is worth it. With both triangles in place, the next step is to select them both. You can do this by either holding down Shift and clicking each shape or dragging your cursor over both to highlight them at the same time. Now look towards the top bar, you'll see an option called Rounding. This lets you smooth out the corners of your triangles, giving your hourglass a softer, more modern look. Play around with it a bit. You can make the curves subtle or super round depending on the style you want. Once you're happy with the edges with both shapes still selected, go ahead and hit Group. This locks your pieces together so you can move, resize, or rotate the entire hourglass as one seamless shape. Grouping is essential here. It keeps your custom design intact so you don't accidentally misalign anything later. Now let's try something called subtracting shapes to make a crescent moon. Return to your elements and this time pick a circle. You'll need two circles for this step. Place the first one onto your canvas, then duplicate it just like we did before. Take one of the circles and change its color to white. This color change is important. Canva will treat the white circle almost like an eraser visually, so you can see the crescent take shape. Now overlap the white circle onto the colored one and offset it a bit to the side. Instantly, you'll see the magic. A beautiful crescent moon appears where the colored and white circles intersect. This is a simple way to create those delicate custom shapes that aren't available by default. If it doesn't look perfect at first, don't worry. Just adjust the circles until you get the crescent exactly the way you want it. These are just two creative examples, but really the sky's the limit. You can keep combining, subtracting, and tinkering with shapes in Canva to design all sorts of custom icons, frames, and abstract graphics. My advice, experiment. Try combining stars, polygons, or even text with shapes to craft something entirely new. The more you play with these tools, the faster and more creative you'll become. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, what custom shape are you excited to create next? And if you want more easy, practical Canva tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Happy designing and see you next time.